birthday! Happy birthday!
It is officially my birthday weekend, and Chris and I are headed to Twin Falls, Idaho. It's about 2 hours. What would it be? East of Boise. I'm so bad with directions. East of Boise, and we are just going to spend a couple days there and explore a little and rest a little and eat a little. We are so close. We're like 9 miles outside of Twin Falls, and we are going 20 miles an hour on the freeway. So I guess it's just road construction, but we're hungry. It is 7 o'clock at night and we are ready to eat. We finally made it. We are headed into Red Robin. I'm going to get my free birthday burger. And actually, Chris got my free birthday burger because I decided I wanted some buzzard clucks and fries. Good morning. It is actually my birthday. I am officially 50 years old. I have no words. I'm getting ready in the hotel. I'll just show you. I guess because I am now 50, I am forgetful because I forgot my contact case, and my contacts are now in here. So I'm going to put them on so I can actually see something. I'll have to show you, my coworkers got me this shirt, made in 1970, 50 years of being awesome, quarantine edition. Okay, we are ready. We are going to head down and see what's for breakfast. So in the world of COVID, our hot breakfast has been reduced to this. But that's okay. I don't care. It's my birthday. We're at the Perrine Bridge Visitor Center. The Perrine Bridge is what goes over the Snake River Canyon, which I will show you in a little while. Actually, I kind of showed you when we were on it coming in last night, but we're gonna go check out the visitor center. So the Perrine Bridge is also very popular for people who are base jumping off of it, and I'm hoping that we'll get to see some because there are a lot of people here packing their chutes and getting ready to do that. That's what these people are doing here on the lawn, and there were some more on the back side of the visitor center doing it as well. This is also the site of where Evel Knievel attempted to jump his motorcycle over the Snake River Canyon in 1974. This was unsuccessful, however, he did live to tell about it. So this is the Perrine Bridge overlook. Out there is the Canyon Springs Golf Course, and then in front of us is the Perrine Bridge. I'll show you that here in just a second. This is where you can watch people base jump. Walking underneath the bridge, so the cars are all going over the top of us, so it's really noisy. It's a little dog. Has no legs. So here's some guys that are going to jump off of the Perrine Bridge all the way down there. You know what? We can't see because of these rocks. We either need to go farther. Yeah, we can see all the way here. There's even going to be a unicorn jumping off of the bridge.
That's great. They jump pretty fast.
Yeah. Oh wow, you can hear it. headed to the Perrine Falls. This is a waterfall that I never even knew about until a couple of weeks ago when I saw a vlog by Adventures by A+K. That's it. They have a great travel van life channel, and so that's how I heard about this waterfall, and we're gonna go check it out. So that was literally like a 2-minute drive from the visitor center. Is just basically down this hill. Oh wait, down this hill right here, and the falls is right up here in front of us, around kind of by those rocks. We're not even to the waterfall, and there's all of this water just falling down this rock cliff in these little teeny streams.
See what this is going to turn into.
Yeah, you have to crawl through this little thing, but it's not a big deal. Oh, this is amazing. That is awesome. I hear this is about a 200-foot waterfall, and it's loud. You can hear the water just pouring down. We are going to walk back behind it and see the backside of water. Okay, I am on the backside of water. It is loud and I am getting wet, but this is so cool. So we checked on Yelp, looked at some local places that are rated highly for getting some food for lunch, and this Scooter's Chillin' and Grillin' was at the top of the list, so we're gonna give it a try. So Chris got the tri-tip dip. It's like a French dip sandwich, and I got the Parmesan patty melt. We both got regular fries, and I have to say, it looks amazing. So we had lunch, and it was pretty good. It was really kind of more like a bar. Actually, it basically was a bar, which we didn't really know. We don't normally go to bars, but it was not bad. It was lunchtime, so the atmosphere was decent, and the food was good, and the server was really nice. So it was a small little place, but we, for the most part, enjoyed lunch. Then we went to the mall here. I went to Hobby Lobby, and we went to Bath and Body Works, and now we are in line at Dutch Bros Coffee, which is just kind of a coffee shop that is, it's a drive-through coffee place that is really popular here in southern Idaho, and I'm gonna get my free birthday drink.
Oh, hello, you had the large double chocolate with 2 single shots, a chocolate drizzle carburetor, and a small hot breve. Alright, there's that was so funny. What are you guys up to today?
It's my birthday!
Oh, it's your birthday! Oh,
having a good time!
It's your birthday!
Happy birthday!
Thank you!
Of course! We love you guys, you know, and like, you gotta have like a good birthday, dude.
Thanks.
And like just that little thing, I hope that makes that birthday like 10 times better than it ever could be, you know?
Awesome. Well, thank you.
So you turning 20?
Yes, thank you.
Awesome, yeah.
No, afraid not.
There's that double chocolate for you.
Thank you.
And there's that breve.
Thank you.
You guys have a wonderful day.
Thank you. That is some serious chocolate. Oh man, that is so good. We are at Joanne Fabrics and my honey is getting me a Cricut maker for my birthday. I'm so excited. So Chris is taking me out for a nice dinner at this restaurant called Elevation 486. It is called that because it is 486 feet above the Snake River Canyon floor. So it's supposed to be a really nice place to eat, and so we're gonna go enjoy our dinner. Yeah, we're going to share it. Thank you.
You're very welcome. Enjoy.
We will, thanks. So since the Perrine Falls was my favorite thing that we visited this weekend, we decided to stop back by for a quick look before we head for home, since it was only a few minutes from our hotel. So we are back home now. It was a great weekend. It's always nice to be home though. And so I hope you enjoyed coming along to Twin Falls, Idaho with us on my birthday weekend. If you enjoyed this vlog, please give it a thumbs up as it really helps my channel. And if you love DIY projects, Dollar Tree DIYs, that type of thing, be sure to subscribe because I do a lot of that here on this channel as well. So Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you have a blessed day.